Welcome everybody to our show. This is Custom Fab Garage on our channel Octane TV on YouTube. Make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button, and on top of that, make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you can get all the new content that comes out weekly and even every day. On the SN95, or basically SNI-35, sorry, I apologize. You will take your negative and your negative on your gray, and you'll connect it together. You'll take your positive and positive, connect it together. These are what you're going to connect into your yellow with black stripe and yellow with no stripe. These two right here. So that's how you want to connect it. I'm going to test to tape these wires together, make it all look nice, and then you'll plug your RCAs right into here. But this is how you'll connect this to make it sound correct. Down here in the passenger side kick panel, you're going to go down here into this harness, and you're going to have a yellow with black stripe and yellow regular that is cross braided. That is the wire you want to connect into. And then basically what you're going to do is you're going to take this SNI-35 and you're going to connect one in and then one into the other. And then this will be connected in, and then you'll plug your RCAs right into here. And then that will connect you for your sound. And then the remote wire will run up to here. We're gonna have to detach that and we're gonna run it into here. So in this fuse box, this style, if you have this plug here and this plug here, there'll be a lug sticking out right here. We just connected that to the lug. There'll be a metal lug right underneath there. You just connect that into there. We just used a normal female plug or female end on this and just slid it over the male metal piece that is coming out. And then we run the remote wire down to here. We have our LOC over here, and it's plugged in down here to our two yellow wires like I showed you. And then our RCAs and remote wire, we run everything down the actual passenger side. Same with the power wire. The power wire is coming up through here, and then we'll show you where it comes out over there behind the battery through the grommet. There's an actual grommet there that we went through. There's actually like a nipple that sticks out. We cut the nipple off the top and then ran the 4-gauge down through. We'll show you that, just the tip. We ran all the wires all the way down here through the passenger side, all the way to the back. And in the back, what we did was we took the carpet up on both sides. So once this is removed here, we went out through here. We went under the carpet here and just ran all the wire underneath the carpet all the way over to there. And then I'll show you how we did the amp. So this is the lug that we went to right here. We ran it off. If you look down there, our fuse holder is down there. And then back behind here, there's a rubber grommet back there. It's really hard to see on this diesel one. You can see it on the gas one's a lot easier. But there's a rubber grommet right back there. It's round. And then it has a nipple that sticks out, and you just cut that nipple off, and it's the size of like 4-gauge. You can just run the 4-gauge right down through it, and then it will come down right where we showed you on the bottom down there. just cut the tip off and it'll run right down into there. It's hard for, in the diesel, so this is a diesel model, these are really tough to get back there. I will tell you, you're gonna struggle real hard. The gas ones are not as bad. You got plenty of room to get down in there, but this one, since it is a diesel, it is a little bit more tough to get down in there. Here's the amp. We ran our ground right here underneath and through the carpet. Wires coming out here. These are our speaker wires going underneath to the terminals. So basically all of our wires are ran underneath the carpet down and through there. And then right here, our ground is underneath here. We just basically took all the paint off underneath here, and then we bolted this down. Ground runs through, power, remote, and then RCAs. And then we got it mounted to there, and then our enclosure is right here. And then we'll slide this back, and it goes right up against it and fits in here really nice.